So actually, I have a few steps I want to tell you regarding literature survey. First, you
Okay.
have to download some papers. You have to download some papers,
Okay.
and then what you will do, you kindly note down the steps what you have to follow during the literature survey.
Yeah, okay.
In the Gmail, not in Gmail, in Google, you can type simply
No,
IEEE
for literature
Explorer.
survey, you told that IEEE Explorer, you have to download the PDF from that one.
Let me talk. I have class again at 3:50.
Yeah.
You just
Okay.
follow what I am speaking. You take
Yeah.
notes. Any
Yeah.
doubts you can ask me later. So IEEE Explorer, if you type in Google, I am going to the next step. After clicking on IEEE Explorer, you will go to browse or library will be there. The IEEE Explorer homepage. You will have library where you can search the papers. Digital library will be there. In this is the home page. In publications, left side you have digital library, and then here you can type the keywords. For example, lung disease, lung disease. Based on your project title, you just type a few keywords, you will get the papers. And here you can select journal, so only journal papers will come. Click on journal, apply, only journal papers will come. Otherwise conference also will be included in the display. So now only journal papers are available. You can see here 2019 is the year, and when green color is there, this paper you can download automatically. If you click on this PDF, full paper can be downloaded. Only for green color full paper will come. For red color
Red
it
color
is
one, huh?
in locked state. I will tell you step by step. I will tell. You can save this paper in a folder. In desktop you create a folder and save all these papers. Like that you have to download the papers first of all. And here, apart from green color, so we have red color. For red color, papers will not be downloaded. So what you have to do, you click on the title, then you copy the next page URL. This URL you copy, and then you have to download using the site SCIHUB. This is not legal. It will not get open in the college Wi-Fi. You have to connect mobile data, and then in that mobile data you can copy paste. It is not connecting using KUWL. Using mobile data, this will open, and you copy paste the URL into that, so that that full paper will get downloaded. Like this, you have to download all the papers. Like this,
Okay.
you have to download all the papers. I want at least 25 papers related to your title. 25 papers related to your title. So now, based on batch members, if 4 members are there in the batch, you divide the keywords. So based on your title, one of you search with compressor, another you search with ML algorithm, another one you search with
Cadence software,
cadence software. Like that you divide among yourself. But cadence software, a compressor using cadence software, you have to search like compressor using cadence software. Like that only you have to search. Simply cadence software means all the papers will come. It is waste of collecting like that. Okay, once you collect 25 papers as a group, okay, as a group per batch I need at least 25 papers. Now what you will do, you have to prepare a tabular column. Literature survey, you have to prepare a tabular column.
and total 25 papers need to take a Xerox or in
No,
keeping in a
no, no,
separate
only
column.
soft copy, only soft copy.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have to prepare a tabular column like this. What is the author, year, algorithm used, technique or steps, performance metrics, applications. I will send you this table by today evening. Okay. So one by one, you have to open the paper and fill this table. So for example, if this is my base paper, first page itself, all the details will be there. Title of the paper, then author names will be there, and then what you want. This abstract and conclusion, if you read, you will get the details. So what details you want, which algorithm used, what is the technique used, and then what is the performance metrics, what are the applications. So author name and year, you can see the year on the top. Year will be mentioned. Top of the first page itself, year, everything will be mentioned. This is very old paper, 1991. While downloading, I want you to download only last 5 years papers after 2017. After 2017 only, you please download recent papers. I told you only IEEE. You can also use 2 more websites. Instead of IEEE, you can go with the Science Direct. Science Direct. And Springer also. So in Science Direct, you put the keywords. I am putting same keyword, lung disease. Okay, here maximum papers can be, if PDF symbol is there, directly that paper will get downloaded. If PDF symbol is not there, you click on the title. In the next page, you copy the URL and copy paste. Here URL is there. Here URL is there. Sometimes view PDF means it will get download. If it is not getting download, you take this DOI, okay, date of publishing, DOI. Then you copy paste into Sci-Hub, SCIHUB. Okay, using mobile data only, Sci-Hub will work. So this is about the second website. One is IEEE, second one Science Direct, third one Springer. Similarly, going to Springer page, you have to check with the library and then type the keywords. You have to check with Springer library, then keywords. Otherwise, go with those 2 only, IEEE and Science Direct. And 25 papers only we want, you download it. Then fill this table. Okay, first page, you will have year, author name, etc. And when you read the abstract and conclusion, you will get this technique, which algorithm they are using, what are the performance metrics, means for what parameters they have put the graph, okay, for what parameters they have drawn graph, all that. So if you see in this paper, this is 2010 paper. I want you last 5 years papers only you download. So abstract you read only 1 paragraph. Conclusion, at the ending you will have conclusion, that also only 1 paragraph. Okay. So there they will tell which algorithm they have used and what graphs they have drawn. You can see in the graphs, the below the graph they will give the names. Okay, their parameters you can check and write those parameters as performance metrics. Performance metrics means in the graph what they have done. So presently by Thursday you finish up to here. Thursday I will explain you about introduction and related work. Introduction and related work. So after downloading 25 papers, okay, references also you have to prepare. References also you have to prepare. Thursday I will again conduct one more GMeet. Okay, because I have class now at 3:50. I have to check with some details also before going to class. Okay, so I will leave by 3:40. I will leave now. Today the work assigned is downloading 25 papers. Divide the keywords and download. Then fill this table. This empty table I will send you in email. Empty table I will send you in email. You fill that table. By Thursday you complete. After that I will tell you. We have many other works. For example, references is there. This is another work, references, preparing the references. Then we have introduction and related work. Okay, these things how to be done. Okay, this I will explain on the Thursday GMeet. Is it okay? Now ask me if you have any doubts. Ask me up to here any doubts.
It's okay.
No, ma'am.